Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. This is Real Travel Speaks. Hey, check out, we are in Nawi Beach, El Salvador. This is a beach house location. Fantastic place to be. You have a great restaurant. They serve you great food as long with a welcome drink. You have a bar as well. You have a massage centers as well. This place is magnificent. You can see the pool area right here along with the beach view. And also there are tree houses. If you like this area even more, you can stay for $400 a night. It may seem steep, but with all what's included, I think it's very worth it. Like I was saying guys, I think this place is very well worth it. So if you ever decide to visit El Salvador, make sure you stop by Nawi Beach. You won't be disappointed, trust me. So I'm only here for just a couple of hours. I stopped by and got a day pass, $25. They put it on my wrist. I was able to get some breakfast, a nice little drink, check out the scenery before I head up to El Taco. All right guys, let's go ahead and go to the next journey. If you come to Nawi Beach, this is one of the things you will enjoy. Horseback riding on the sand by the waves during the sunset or sunrise. This was a good experience, so I highly recommend you guys to try this out. If you never did it before, you will enjoy it. The tour duration was about 15 minutes of a walk over a trail around the sand. You see people right here enjoying it as well. You can do it in pairs or by yourself. I was by myself, so I did it alone. You will spend about $10 for the total ride around the sand, and you can pick which horse you want. Now, it's not around the whole entire beach. They have a trail which lasts about 15 minutes. You can see in the background, I'm leaving the port of the Nawi Beach, which is the lounge area, and the sand tracks from the horses just range all the way down there close by the mountains. Now, Nawi Beach has much more to offer. This is just one of the things I wanted to show you guys. Hang tight, we're going to check out the tree houses in a bit. Alright, so if you want to stay here longer than a day, they have tree houses available for your stay. I was just here for, a couple of hours, but if you want to stay overnight, that's possible. Let me explain to you guys what it all includes. Now, I wasn't able to go inside because each one of these tree houses was fully booked. There was people staying in each one of them that was reserved, so I couldn't go up there, and I wanted to show you guys what it all looked like inside. But there are other videos you can search online about the tree houses to give you an idea. Each tree house includes a king-size bed, air conditioning, luxury rain shower, premium bath products, a lounge area, mini bar, and high-speed Wi-Fi. In person, they're pretty much more spaced out than it looks like in the video. I think it's well designed here. They got like a zen zone type of feeling or atmosphere. You really only need like a night or two here. There's no reason for you to stay long term here. So yeah, I thought that was probably the coolest thing I ever seen at a beach was tree houses. So it's about like an hour drive from San Salvador, the capital. This is just more units here, which got a closer view to the beach. So I will recommend this just for the experience alone, just staying in a tree house near the beach, but only if you can afford it. So we got more to check out. Let's move on. So Nawi Beach House is more of a private beach. It is not like the other public beaches where everybody can gather. Here you have to pay for your stay. So let's explore and look at some amenities they have, like the lounge area right here, which you can sunbathe and just catch the vibes of the beach. And if you don't want to deal with the waves, you can just take a dip in the pool, chill, lounge, and relax, and have a drink of a cocktail. And if that is too much sun, then you can come inside, listen to some music, or have a drink at the bar. There's actually a restaurant right here that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I had the breakfast cuisine called Elote Chilaquiles with my welcome drink right here. The thing about El Salvador is it's very affordable. The food here is spectacular. There's a lot of El Salvadorian cuisines you guys gotta try. Pupusas is a national dish. I am seeing people enjoying themselves as well. I got here early, but I'm still enjoying my meal here. Now this tastes like nachos, but better. You got cheese, queso, egg on top, a lot of different type of meats, much more better than nachos. As you can see, the place is enormous. It's huge. It's a lot of seats, so if you come in group, you don't have to be worried about being overcrowded. This place can handle it all. So after you get full, or you coming from a long drive, you just came on for a long flight, come lounge right here in the pool. This is the hangout spot. A lot of people come out here during the nighttime and chill. Now this is the spot which you want to bring somebody if you really want to impress them. So if you want to, propose to somebody, have a girlfriend, husband, wife, whatever, this is the place to bring them, as throughout the day there are more activities that come available. So I hope this up and close personal view is really helping you guys out if you want to make a decision on should you visit Nawi Beach or not. I think it's recommended. I just came here a little early before everybody woke up, but yeah, you can't beat this place, guys. This is one of the best hangout spots that I have been to in a while. Here's another view of the angle of the beach. Look at those crazy waves. Again, if the wave's too much, you can enjoy yourself on the pool. Alright guys, I'm pretty much going to take another horseback ride. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what places you want to see next. And if you've been in Nawi Beach House before or in El Salvador before, let me know the places that I should go that you have been to. As always, thank you guys for watching. This is Real Travel Speaks. Embrace your journey, guys. Peace.
Catch a vibe, then I catch a flight. Life is a journey, it's time to live it how you like. Time to grow, time to elevate. This is what you need. Grab your ticket, yeah, this is Real Travel Speaks. Embracing adventure, going places you never knew. This is true. If I could do it, you could do it too. Get your luggage and your passport. Let's go, we about to take action. For all my aspiring travelers who got a hunger and a passion. Real Travel Speaks. Real travel, this is Real Travel Speaks.